welcome to onlyBBguns video review channel. Today we're going to be looking at the A&K SIR RIS System M4. Comes in standard brown box, no markings or anything, so let's get that out of the way. Rubbish. A&K manual, very in depth. Jesus, 30 pages long. Yep. Now it does come with a pretty decent 8.4 volt battery, nice heat resistant wiring on it. What is that? 1200 milliamps, so not bad battery. Comes with it. Little smart little screwdriver. As if I don't nick it first. Yeah. Front sight adjustment tool, worth its weight in gold if you really want to adjust your sight. 300 round high cap metal magazine. Front tactical grip, we're not putting that on. Suppose you could use these ones, they're not that bad, but I recommend you throw them in the bin and get a better batch. But that's down to you. And on to the pièce de résistance. Lovely blue. Oh, you get the multi-fix. That sling attachment can be mounted at multiple points on the gun. It should be in there. And you get the unjamming rod. Oh, you see that little twizzle in? Brilliant. Anyway, that's enough of that. On to the gun. It is a lighter weight version. It's plastic body. Metal buffer tube, metal RIS rail, and plastic. It's a dual RIS rail, so it's metal back, plastic front. The whole front end is plastic. Metal RIS rails attached onto that, one either side and one on the bottom. The barrel is metal, front side metal, rear side metal. Buffer tube is metal, charging handle is metal, trigger is plastic. Handguards plastic, so it's a what's the word I'm looking for? Wide range of plastic and metal, but very well made. Delta ring is metal. It does have semi and full auto. Full charging handle. There we go. Cool. Charging handle to reveal your hopper, adjustable. Mag, simple, like any other M4. Fill it in there, wind the wheel on the bottom, and hey presto. Nice, solid feel to it. It does have a little bit of a wobble, but what can you expect from an M4? They wobble like anything, like mad anyway. To fit the battery, you've got these little lugs on the side. Just give them a twist and they'll jump out at you in a second if you can get it right. There we go, it pops out. Go, and then obviously this bit smartly opens up there. Now I'm going to be running the LiPo on this because I know this gun can take it. It does have a metal gearbox. Because I'm looking through the magazine well and I'm seeing this like polished metal in there, so it's a metal gearbox. Tuck the battery in, I'm going to bolt one side shut. So, bring down the noise a bit. Front sight is flip up. Back sight, flip up and adjustable, so it's got a nice feature to it. It stands there in all its glory. It's a lovely gun. Absolutely stands its toe with every other gun I've seen for the price of this one. Let's get it shooting, let's see what it sounds like. And here we go. Full auto. Really nice turnover of the gears. Very solid. That has no function by the way, it just goes in and out. I just thought might check, see if it had unjammed the gears. Yeah, it comes in at 340 FPS with 0.2 gram BBs. If you like what you see, leave a comment below, click on the link below, jump over to our site, have a look. It might not be for you, but we do have a wide range of airsoft rifles available in two-tone. So if you like what you see, do click the link below. If you haven't already, subscribe, follow the channel, keep up to date with all the latest guns we have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.